Yes, bakunzi bacu twongeye turagarutse. Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how you can using synonym in sentences. Today we're gonna learn how you can using synonym in sentences. Uyu munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe uko wakoresha impuzanyito mu nteruro. Tugiye kwiga uburyo wakoresha interuro bose z'impuzanyito ahangaha. Accused. Accused means blamed. Blamed, kunenga. Accused, you make mistake. Accused, you make mistake. Yakunenze, wakoze amafuti. Yakunenze, wakoze amafuti. Yakuchase amakosa. Seems. Seems means appear. Appear, kugaragara. Didn't seem like Christmas. Didn't seem like Christmas. Nibyagaragaye ko ari umunsi mukuru. Nibyagaragaye ko ari umunsi mukuru. Glad. Glad means happy. Kwishima. I'm so glad I have business. I'm so glad to have business. Nishimiye kuba mfite ubucuruzi. Cyangwa se ushobora kuvuga I'm so glad to hear you. Nishimiye kuba nkumva. Oh. Oh means pay. Kwishyura. How much money do I owe you? How much do I owe you? How much money do I owe you? How much do I owe you? Ese ndakwishyura amafaranga angahe? Ese ndakwishyura amafaranga angahe? Cyangwa se nkurimo amafaranga angana iki? That's example. For example, you owe me 5,000 You owe me 5,000 Uri bwanyishyure ibihumbi 5. Uri bwanyishyure ibihumbi 5. Depart. Depart means go. Kugenda. Iri jambo rikoreshwa ku kibuga cy'indege gusa. Rimwe na rimwe nujya ku kibuga cy'indege gutega uzaribona. Reka turebe urugero. Our flight departs at 8 o'clock. Indege yacu iraza kugenda saa 2. Iri jambo terminal naryo rikoreshwa ku kibuga cy'indege. End of journey. Inside the airport terminal, kissed him goodbye. Hariya yarashatse kubasezeraho ko urugendo rurangiye. Book means reserve. Kuzigama, kubitsa.